EquatIO has a direct LTI integration in Brightspace D2L, where users can make math and STEM items inside the editor. Simply choose the Insert Stuff button on the toolbar to launch LTIs in your D2L course and select the EquatIO LTI to begin making your content. As soon as you are done entering math into your LTI pop-up box, you may select Insert Math and then select Insert again so the content will go right inside your editor. The alternative to using the LTI is to launch the EquatIO Web Toolbar while navigating inside your D2L course. Simply select the EquatIO Chrome Extension and you will receive a full EquatIO Toolbar experience where all of your STEM input methods are available to you, the user. When you are finished making your math, simply select Insert Math and the content you created will insert right into your editor. Think of all the places the editor is available in D2L. From HTML documents, discussions, assignments, and quizzes. We can help you make math and STEM content just about anywhere now inside of D2L with the simple click of the Insert Math button from our web toolbar. Enjoy this update from EquatIO by TextHelp.